Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials. Apple ID signed in, iOS updated, and your Outlook address plus password at hand. Once done, open Settings, tap Mail, then Accounts. Make sure to choose Add Account and select Outlook. This tells iOS which protocol to use. Enter your email address and tap Next. Do not skip reading any prompts. If your account uses Exchange, be prepared to enter server info. Otherwise, the automatic setup will attempt to proceed. This step gets the connection process going. You'll see either the Microsoft sign-in page or manual fields. If a sign-in page appears, enter credentials and approve any security prompts. This is more secure and often smoother. Once authenticated, toggle which items to sync, mail, contacts, calendars, reminders, and then tap Save. If automatic fails, switch to manual. Input server name, domain, username, and set SSL and port values. Make sure to double-check spelling. A single typo stops mail flow and wastes time. Once saved, open the Mail app to confirm your inbox appears and messages start syncing. Pull down to force a refresh. Make sure folders and calendar entries show up. If not, return to Settings, right arrow Accounts to review sync toggles and folder mappings. If Mail fails, try removing the account and adding it again, or verify your password and server details. If you still see problems, check network connectivity and consult your IT for Exchange policies. This single troubleshooting tip resolves most setup failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.